Hi, in this tutorial we will be focusing on use of relational operators in C language. The relational operators like less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to, double equal to or comparison operator will be used in this program, and you can clearly understand how to use them and how they work in C language by watching this tutorial. So the three compulsory lines in the program, void main or main function, opening bracket and closing bracket are taken. After that, two variables are initialized, right? Static initialization of two variables A and B done with 10 and 20 values. So here I am using the printf statement to understand how each relational operator works. So first I am considering greater than, then after that I am considering less than. So each relational operator will give output as output boolean value will be given as output. I'm considering six statements directly. So greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to, and double equal. So A and B. So if the condition is true, it gives 1 as output. If condition is false, it gives 0 as output. Let's see how we get output for this program. Now you can see in the output that all the true results got output 1 and all the false results gave output as 0. Now if you see this first one, what is the case with first one? In the first case, 10 greater than 20. Is this correct? 10 is less than 20, so it is false. As the result is false, we got output 0 here. Next, 10 less than 20. Here 10 less than 20, this is true, so we got true. 10 greater than or equal to 20, that is false. 10 less than or equal to 20, that is true. 10 not equal to 20, true. 10 the 10 exactly equal to 20, sorry, 10 not equal, this is false. So what happened? You can see the values. This is output, we got 0. For this we got output 1. For this we got output 0. For this we got output 1. For this we got output 1. For this we got output 0. You can see 0 1 0 1 1 0. Okay. In this manner, we can also cross check by changing the values to check whether our program is working properly or not. Right? We got the output. For this, A greater than B, true. A less than B, false. A greater than or equal to B, true. A less than or equal to B, false. A not equal to B, true. A exactly equal to B, false. Now let's see the next. Let's change the value. I'm making both as 2020. So what will happen? A is exactly equal to B. Comparison operator will give true value. Then A less than or equal to A greater than or equal to. So third, fourth, and sixth statements will give 1 as output, and remaining 3 will give zeros. Third, fourth, and sixth column will give ones. Third, fourth, and sixth column giving 1, remaining all 0. In this manner, we can use relational operators. They are also used in checking conditions in while loop we can use them, in for loop we will be using them, in if conditions we will be using all this. It is important to understand how these relational operators work in C language. Thank you.